Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Bill Kelly, and these are my twin girls. This is Peyton, and this is Piper. And one of the things that we love to do is collect eggs from our chickens, right? Yeah, we have 11 chickens, and when they're young, they'll produce an egg per day. But now, they're a little older, they're 3 years old, so we may not get as many eggs, but we thought for Data Week, it'd be very fun to collect the eggs and track how many eggs we get. What do you say, should we do it?
Yeah.
Should we go get some eggs?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go. Are you ready to go get some eggs?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get some eggs. Now, inside the chicken coop, the chickens lay their eggs in a very specific spot. What do we call this?
Nest box.
Nest box. Do we have any eggs today?
Yeah.
We do. Now grab the bucket. I'll hold the bucket and very gently let's count. How many? How many is that? 1.
2.
Okay, 2, 3. Just hand them to Daddy. 4, 5, 6. Wow, we got a lot today. 7, 8. Wow. 9. We have 9 eggs today so far. Now that's what we collected. We're gonna come back out here a little bit later and get some more. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you, chickens. Let's go this way. It's now after lunch. What do you think? You think there'll be some more eggs in there? Should we go check? Let's go see. Let's go see. Up on in, go see. Any eggs? Okay, no, wait. What do you got? We got 1 egg. All right, let's put it in the basket. Ready? Okay, let's put the basket back up. We'll come back and check on them in a couple of hours. Okay, our final check of eggs. Do we have any eggs? Yes or no? 4 more eggs. Should we put them in the basket?
Yeah. I will put one in the basket.
Okay, hold those eggs. Hold those eggs. I'll go get it. Okay, let's put those eggs right gently in the basket. Put them in. Good job. So we got 9 this morning, 1 at lunch, and 4 just now. That's 14 eggs. That's amazing. Now it's time for the chickens to go night-night. Say night-night, chickens.
Good night, Kitty.
We'll see you in the morning and we'll collect more eggs.